Hi there, this is Jason McComb here from the Association of Vehicle Installers, and I'm here to demonstrate a solution to a small problem. So here we have a VW Golf, and what we want to do is to fit something like this Shure antenna here without drilling in a single hole. Well, Shure antennas have thought of a solution to this problem, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you now. It's all coming up. So we've got here is we've got this factory antenna installed first of all. Now the solution workaround is that we're going to remove this antenna first of all, and that's the hole we're going to use for the Shure antenna installation. As you can see though, we have got a slight problem, and the slight problem is that we've got a circular hole for the Shure antenna. Now, Shure antennas have actually thought of a solution for this, and that is this. A small plate that can be fitted directly straight into the hole that's been left for the manufacturer's antenna. And then you then have a circular hole, which will then allow you to fit either the Mallard or the Sandcastle easily enough. We have, however, raised another issue because we've disconnected the factory antenna install, and you can see that there's 4G and GPS connected, and unfortunately that's brought an error up on the dashboard saying that I've got to go back to the workshop because the SOS system will now no longer work on the vehicle and you won't get all of your connectivity. So Shure antennas have thought of the solution for this. What it is that they've made two connectors which will allow you to connect directly to the Shure antenna. The two FACRA connectors then will then connect directly to the two connections to replace the 4G and GPS antenna connection. Now, if you need to utilise all of the functionality of the Shure antenna, either it being its Sandcastle or Mallard, you can also, as you can see here, fit a couple of additional antennas. We've put them in the rear tailgate. Still gets good visibility and good coverage on the GPS and 4G antenna system, and that will then fit directly to, as you can see, the GPS and 4G connections on the vehicle. Now this solution is quite handy because it then allows you to utilize, as I say, all the functionality of the Shure antenna, but also Shure antennas can provide you with a Tetra version of the VW Golf antenna you can see there. And the great thing about it is by utilizing that, you can then keep all the functionality of the vehicle, and you can keep the covert appearance of the vehicle, and the added bonus now that you now have a Tetra antenna with GPS on the roof of the vehicle. And there it is, folks, the final product there, the Shure Mallard antenna fitted to this VW Golf. And it's not the only vehicle manufacturer that Shure have this offering with. Check their website. Just going to put a little sort of link on the bottom there for more details. I've been Jason McComb. Don't forget you can also follow us at the Association of Vehicle Installers. Website details below.